Hey there, planner friends. This is Amy, and welcome back to my channel, Beloved Plans. So happy to have you here with me for my plan with me for the week of February 22nd. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a future video. And this channel is for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So I'm going to be doing a floral fantasy theme this week, and I got this stunning new floral sticker book from the latest Be Happy box from the Happy Planner. It's called Beauty and Florals, and I thought I love these colors for winter, and they had some really cute stickers that said like dream and just different kind of whimsical fantasy things on there. So I thought these would be perfect to base my spread around. So I did pull out my sticker guides, and I'm going to be using those again just to kind of slowly map things out, but I really want to try to do something fun and different this time around. So let's get started. Okay, so for this spread, I am wanting to do just like a cluster of beautiful stickers and flowers in the middle row of boxes. I'm still going to do this little list over on the left side with this noted grid sticker, but I'm going to slowly start putting in my larger stickers, the rectangle one, this cute diamond one. I have another diamond one I'm going to put down on the other side. So I did learn something very important about using the sticker guides. I had pre-planned out my stickers the day before, so they had been on the planning guides for probably at least 24 hours, I'd say. And I really had a hard time getting them off without them tearing. The clear ones came off pretty easily, but as you can see here, I'm really struggling to get some of the paper stickers off, which was a total bummer because they kind of would tear a little bit. And so now I know I cannot do that far in advance. If I'm going to use the sticker guides, I pretty much need to do my layout right away. So I'm just going to kind of start layering different things in here. I love this dream sticker. This Beauty and Floral sticker book is so stunning. And I just love all the deep colors it has. They just remind me of winter, and they're just so beautiful. Not quite ready to bust out all the spring florals yet. So I like the rich, bold colors of these. So I'm going to start peeling off some of the individual flower stickers. I am going to cut them in half so that I can lay them along the edges here. I kind of want to give like a clustered feeling to the spread. And I'm just going to start adding in different flowers here. I really want everything to be concentrated into that middle row. So I'm going to lay those down. Don't be afraid to cut your stickers to make them do what you want them to do. Let them overlap at the edge and then trim. I remember when I first started planning, the first time I saw somebody cut their stickers, I was like, oh my gosh, that just opened a whole new world of possibilities that I can cut it. So funny. So I'm just going to keep layering them in here. And I think what I'll do for my different to-do lists and that sort of thing is just kind of put them above and below that. But I really wanted the bulk of the design part to be in that middle row. And it's slowly coming together here. So as you can see, when I don't do my pre-planning, it does take a little bit longer for me to do the spread because I'm flipping through so many more sticker books, but sometimes that's nice to do. I don't mind it so much. So I'm going to lay down these gold diamonds, and that will be one of my to-do lists for the week. I'll probably only have a couple this week just because we have a relatively not super crazy busy week. Now I'm going to look for some colorful boxes so that I can write the different things I have going on throughout the days. So the gold ones will be perfect, I thought, since I'm using those gold diamonds, and there's some gold foiling on some of these other stickers. And I'll just keep layering those on. This is why I like to see my schedule ahead of time so that I know which days I need boxes on and that sort of thing when I'm putting together my spread. I'm going to use a few more little florals here just to kind of layer things up. Trying to see if there's any other. I'm going to put a square down here on Sunday. I'm going to lift up that part of the flower and have it come on top of the box. And then I'm going to add these little hexagon bullet point type things that were in that sticker book. As you can see, there's quite a few colors of them. I really liked the black ones. I'm just kind of flipping through to see if there's anything else I want to add. I think I'm going to add a couple more of these little hexagons over here on this noted side. I like having 3 bullets whenever I have a list. So with that, I think we are all set. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and link my previous week's Plan With Me video if you'd like to check that out over on the right hand side right now, and I'll see you over there.